Sebastians. Today, I'm going to open up the new Ariel toys from Disney. From Mickey D's. So I am gonna be opening these. So let me just pause the video real quick in 1 second. Hello, Dookie Daisies, and my little Sebastians. I'm gonna show y'all some magic. Get ready. Wasn't that cool? Now we're gonna open up Ariel. Do you notice something different about her skin tone? That's right. Wait, no, that's not Ariel. Sorry, guys. We didn't get Ariel today. We got 2 Sebastians, but I got a new toy that is very stretchy. Look. Stretch. If one of you have these, comment down below in the video. And you could squish her. If she pops back up, she's half the size of squishing. See, look. She's squished, but she pops right back up. So I have a couple things to show you from Puerto Rico. But today, we're gonna be opening Sebastian 1. Okay, so let's cut him open. Let's free this little guy. He deserves to be free. And then we're gonna go over to the bathroom. Okay, Dookie Daisies. And my little Sebastians. The name Little Sebastians are for the kindergartners who watch this. Not you, my Dookie Daisies, but I know everybody's a little Sebastian, including my little Dookie Daisies. But first, I need to finish cutting him, so I'm gonna stop and make part 3 1 second. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting open the first Sebastian, we're gonna play with him a bit. Okay. He's so cute, right? And now it's time for part 4. 3 minutes later, I finally got it out. Okay, so now we're gonna start playing with this one. Under the floor, where I could be. I'm a designer, I'm a spider under the sea. That was a beautiful performance from him, but now it's his time to get off the stage. And it's time for me and my maracas to take the stage. And now I'm gonna be eating the toxic waste candy. Hope y'all Dookie Daisies wish me good luck. And my little Sebastian. So I got it all the way out of the bag. This time to put it in my mouth. First I'm gonna take a little slightly light. Okay. That is sour. And that is super sour. Woo! Do not eat these Dookie Daisies. One minute. Woo! Dookie Daisies, do not eat this candy at home. I have these little toy headphones, and you could win them. I'm sorry to tell you this, but we have no donuts for the giveaway, so I'm sorry, but the giveaway is canceled. But now it's time for Miss Elena Lightyear. And that is the end of this show. Bye, everybody. Make sure to watch it. Dookie Daisies and my little Sebastians. Bye.